How's my breath? Good? Good. Oh, hi there. We all know bad breath can be very off-putting and can make us shy away from social interactions. But where does it come from? Well, most cases of bad breath are caused by bacteria in the mouth, particularly on the tongue, a condition commonly referred to as halitosis. These pesky bacteria can also be found on your gums, teeth, and even on plaque buildup. Now, to keep bad breath under control, it's very important to floss and to brush your teeth. Oh, and your tongue too. Additionally, using an antiseptic mouthwash can help keep your breath smelling fresh. If you suffer from persistent bad breath, please inform your dentist during your next appointment. They can help determine the best plan of action.